Exercise number 3. Start. I should therefore, like Parliament, to remember these basic things. Full stop. Here is something that is proposed, which in effect clarifies and elucidates the Constitution and brings it completely in line with what the makers of the Constitution intended. Full stop. Unfortunately, they did not do so in clear enough language, and therefore the courts have interpreted it differently. Full stop. So, first, it is a matter of elucidation. Full stop. Secondly, it is wrong to say that we are suggesting any arbitrary action, any confiscatory action, or any expropriatory action. Full stop. In fact, the Constitution has said that there should be compensation by law. Full stop. But it is true that the quantum of compensation will be determined by the legislature. Full stop. I cannot say offhand what in a particular case the legislature might do. Full stop. But by and large, if you have to govern this country democratically, you have to trust the legislature not only in this but in a hundred other matters of far greater moment. Full stop. The legislature might decide on some far reaching change affecting perhaps a question of such magnitude as war and peace. Full stop. Surely the Supreme Court will not decide that. Full stop. It may decide other questions in ways which directly or indirectly might even affect property. Full stop. All kinds of decisions may be taken which will have a powerful effect on our social and economic structure and, for example, on planning. Full stop. But it is the legislature will that is bound to prevail in such matters. Full stop. There is no way out of it. Full stop. It seems to me a basically wrong approach to single out this question of compensation and to take it out of the purview of the legislature in the sense of somebody else revising the legislature's decision. Full stop. Such a course can be thought of only if you think that property is something semi divine and that the protection of private property is to the largest good of the nation, which hardly anyone today will say. Obviously, full stop. Next paragraph. I do not know how I can deal with these fears and apprehensions. Full stop. There is no remedy for fear except the absence of fear. Full stop. Today, in the larger world context, nations are afraid, and because they are afraid, they often say and do the wrong things. Full stop. Things thus get worse. Full stop. I do not know what we shall do about it in the international sphere. Full stop. Some people in this country and some outside have all manner of apprehension on this vital issue. Full stop.